Welcome to DMV Written Test YouTube channel. When you complete the video, you can test yourself on the tests that you will see in this video through a quiz on quizdmv.com. You will find the link in the description. Question: which light signal indicates that you may make a protected turn? Oncoming traffic is stopped by a red light. A green arrow. B. A flashing yellow arrow. C. A solid green light. The correct answer is A. A green arrow. Question: what can you expect when driving on gravel roads? A. Better traction. B. Increased risk of skidding. C. Shorter stopping distance. The correct answer is B. Increased risk of skidding. Question: when should you proceed straight ahead against a red light? A. When the way is clear. B. When you hear an emergency vehicle approaching. C. When directed by a police officer. The correct answer is C. When directed by a police officer. Question: parking your car in front of a driveway is A. Never allowed. B. Allowed, if the driveway is not frequently used. C. Allowed, if the driveway is private. The correct answer is A. Never allowed. Question: a blue and white sign at a railroad crossing indicates A. vehicles that must stop at the crossing. B. the speed limit across the tracks. C. what to do if there is an emergency on or near the tracks. The correct answer is C. What to do if there is an emergency on or near the tracks. Question: if you see a stray animal crossing the road in your path, you should A. keep your speed and blast your horn. B. slow or stop, but not swerve to avoid the animal. C. steer your vehicle off the roadway. The correct answer is B. slow or stop, but not swerve to avoid the animal. Question: an adult may use a cell phone while driving. A. if hands-free equipment is used. B. if driving slower than 30 miles per hour. C. during hazardous conditions. The correct answer is A. if hands-free equipment is used. Question: what is the shape of a warning sign that tells you there is a roundabout ahead? A. four-sided diamond. B. three-sided pennant. C. round. The correct answer is A. four-sided diamond. Question: a center left turn lane may be used. A. for passing slower vehicles. B. by traffic from both directions. C. for both left and right turns. The correct answer is B. By traffic from both directions. Question. You may use your horn in the following situations, except A. If someone moves into your lane and there is an immediate danger. B. When approaching a blind pedestrian. C. When you have lost control of your vehicle and risk hitting someone. The correct answer is B. When approaching a blind pedestrian. Question. When driving in foggy conditions, high beams will A. Improve your ability to see ahead. B. Reduce glare. C. Impair your visibility. The correct answer is C. Impair your visibility. Question. A flashing yellow light means A. Stop, the light is about to change. B. All other traffic is stopped by a red light. C. Slow down and proceed with caution. The correct answer is C. Slow down and proceed with caution. Question. If you are in the wrong lane and miss an intended turn at an intersection, you should A. Continue straight until you can safely and legally turn around. B. Carefully make the turn from the lane you are in. C. Stop in the intersection and turn when safe. The correct answer is A. Continue straight until you can safely and legally turn around. Question. This black and white sign means A. Right lane ends ahead. B. One-way street, traffic travels to the right. C. Turn right at the corner. The correct answer is B. One-way street, traffic travels to the right. Question. You reach an intersection with stop signs on all four corners at the same time as a driver on your left. Who must yield? A. You must yield to the driver on your left. B. The driver on your left must yield to you. C. The driver with the smallest vehicle must yield. The correct answer is B. The driver on your left must yield to you. Question. Your blood alcohol concentration, BAC, basically changes with A. Time spent drinking. B. Your body weight. C. Both A and B. The correct answer is C. Both A and B. Question. You can legally park your car. A. 5 feet of a fire hydrant. B. 30 feet from a fire station driveway. C. On a bridge. The correct answer is B. 30 feet from a fire station driveway. Question. When may you drive at the maximum speed indicated by a speed limit sign? A. Only in the daytime. B. when conditions permit you to drive at such a speed safely. C. Only on divided highways, or highways designed for one-way traffic. The correct answer is B. When conditions permit you to drive at such a speed safely. Question. What is the no zone in terms of driving? A. A zone where passing is not allowed. B. The danger areas around a commercial vehicle, like a truck. C. An area where pedestrians cannot cross the street. The correct answer is B. The danger areas around a commercial vehicle, like a truck. Question. If a traffic signal light is not working, you A. Must always stop. B. May proceed without stopping if you reach the intersection first. C. May proceed without stopping if way is clear. The correct answer is A. Must always stop. Question. Merging onto a road is safest if you A. Drive on the shoulder until there is an opening. B. Wait for a large enough gap in traffic. C. Make room by forcing your way into a small gap. The correct answer is B. Wait for a large enough gap in traffic. Question. If you encounter a flooded roadway, it is best to A. Find an alternate route. B. Slow down to 15 miles per hour or less. C. Stop and immediately abandon your car. The correct answer is A. Find an alternate route. Question. Yellow lines separate traffic. A. Going in the same direction. B. Going in opposite directions. The correct answer is B. Going in opposite directions. Question. A child must be secured in an appropriate child restraint system. A. Under the age of 8 years or less than 5 feet 6 inches tall. B. If under 8 years old and less than 4 feet 9 inches tall. C. If under the age of 6 years or weighing less than 60 pounds. The correct answer is B. If under 8 years old and less than 4 feet 9 inches tall. Question. You want to back out of a parking space. As you back up, you should back slowly and look A. Through your side window. B. At your rear view mirror. C. Over your shoulder. The correct answer is C. Over your shoulder. Question. If a vehicle suddenly merges too closely in front of you, you should A. Take your foot off the accelerator. B. Blast your horn as a warning. C. Slam hard on your brakes. The correct answer is A. Take your foot off the accelerator. Question. When being passed by another vehicle, you must A. Keep as far left as possible. B. Keep your speed or slow down. C. Honk your horn. The correct answer is B. Keep your speed or slow down. Question. All traffic from both directions must stop when a school bus has stopped for passengers on A. A roadway of 4 lanes or more with a center turning lane. B. A 2-lane roadway with a center turning lane. C. A divided highway of 4 lanes or more with a median separation. The correct answer is B. A 2-lane roadway with a center turning lane. Question. You must yield to a pedestrian using a white cane or guide dog. A. Only if the pedestrian is obeying traffic controls. B. At all times. C. Only if the guide dog is leading the pedestrian across the street. The correct answer is B. At all times. Question. What does this sign mean? A. Traffic in left lane must turn left. B. Traffic in left lane must continue straight. C. Traffic in left lane may turn left or continue straight. The correct answer is A. Traffic in left lane must turn left. Question. You are approaching an intersection with traffic signals where a bus has stopped. The passing speed limit is A. 12 miles per hour. B. 25 miles per hour. C. 10 miles per hour. The correct answer is C. 10 miles per hour. Question. When you see a sign with this shape and color, you must A. Stop completely and check for pedestrians and cross traffic. B. Slow down and enter the intersection with caution. C. Stop completely and wait for a green light. The correct answer is A. Stop completely and check for pedestrians and cross traffic. Question. To be convicted of DUI, driving under the influence, if you are 21 or older, your BAC level A. Must be 0.08% or higher. B. Must be 0.06% or higher. C. Can be lower than 0.08%. The correct answer is C. Can be lower than 0.08%. Question. What is true about double parking? A. It is illegal only if you leave your car. B. It is legal if you are making a delivery. C. It is illegal under all circumstances. The correct answer is C. It is illegal under all circumstances. Question. When the road is wet from heavy rain and you are following another vehicle, you should A. Consistently stare at the road just in front of your vehicle. B. Increase the distance between your vehicle and the vehicle ahead. C. Decrease the distance between your vehicle and the vehicle ahead. The correct answer is B. Increase the distance between your vehicle and the vehicle ahead. Question. For an immediate right turn in a roundabout with multiple lanes, you should A. Enter in any lane. B. Always enter in the left lane. C. Always enter in the right lane. The correct answer is C. Always enter in the right lane. Question. To make a right turn at a corner with a bicycle lane, you should A. Never enter the bicycle lane. B. Only merge into the bicycle lane if you need to stop before the turn. C. Merge into the bicycle lane before making the turn. The correct answer is C. Merge into the bicycle lane before making the turn. Question. When should you use your horn? A. When you want someone to get out of the way. B. When you have lost control of your vehicle and are moving towards someone. C. When another driver fails to use a turn signal. The correct answer is B. When you have lost control of your vehicle and are moving towards someone. Question. When driving at night, be sure that you can stop. A. Within the distance you can see ahead. B. Within 5 to 10 seconds. C. Within 500 feet. The correct answer is A. Within the distance you can see ahead. Question. Which of these is a good way of spotting hazards on the road? A. Focus on your inside mirror. B. Focus on the vehicle ahead. C. Scan well ahead of your vehicle. The correct answer is C. Scan well ahead of your vehicle. Question. White broken lines that are larger than normal mark. A. A no passing zone. B. A carpool lane. C. A lane that ends ahead. The correct answer is C. Scan well ahead of your vehicle. Question. What does this sign mean? A. Cross road ahead. B. Side road ahead. C. Divided highway ends. The correct answer is C. Divided highway ends. Question. To help prevent skidding on slippery surfaces, you should A. Slow down before entering curves. B. Speed up to enter curves and slow down when exiting them. C. Both A and B. The correct answer is A. Slow down before entering curves. Question. Roads are usually most slippery. A. Just after it starts to rain. B. Just after it stops to rain. C. When it has been raining for a few hours. The correct answer is A. Just after it starts to rain. Question. When you move, you must report your new address within A. 5 days. B. 10 days. C. 45 days. The correct answer is B. 10 days. Question. You may legally turn right on a red light. A. Only after stopping and unless otherwise posted. B. Only after slowing down and checking other traffic. C. Under no circumstances. The correct answer is A. Only after stopping and unless otherwise posted. Question. You want to make left turn from a one-way street into a one-way street. There is a bicyclist just in front of you. You should A. Move up beside the bicyclist. B. Stay back. C. Use your horn. The correct answer is B. Stay back. Question. Always stop before railroad tracks when A. Flashing red lights are activated. B. A flagger signals you to stop. C. Both A and B. The correct answer is C. Both A and B. Question. When school bus stops with flashing red lights, only traffic following the bus must stop. A. If the bus stops on a two-lane roadway with a center turning lane. B. If the bus stops on any two-lane roadway in the state. C. If the bus stops on a roadway of 4 lanes or more. The correct answer is C. If the bus stops on a roadway of 4 lanes or more. Question. You carry a load in a passenger vehicle. The load can extend beyond the fenders on the right side. A. No more than 6 inches. B. Under no circumstances. C. No more than 3 feet. No more than 6 inches. Question. What should you do when overtaking a motorcycle? A. Pass closely. B. Pass slowly. C. Go all the way into another lane. The correct answer is C. Go all the way into another lane. Question. A pedestrian has entered a crosswalk and should be given the right of way. A. Only if a control signal displayed walk before the pedestrian started crossing. B. In all situations. C. only if a control signal displays walk or a walking person. The correct answer is B. In all situations. Question. What is the basic law for driving speed? A. Always drive the posted speed limit. B. Drive 5 to 10 miles per hour below the posted speed limit just to be safe. C. Always drive at a speed that is safe for current conditions. The correct answer is C. Always drive at a speed that is safe for current conditions. Question. When entering a highway, it is dangerous and wrong to A. Insist on the right of way. B. Turn your head to look quickly to the side before changing lanes. C. Enter at or near the speed of traffic. The correct answer is A. Insist on the right of way. Question. It is very important to check behind you before you A. Drive down a long or steep hill. B. Reduce your speed. C. Both A and B. The correct answer is C. Both A and B. Question. When parking parallel to a curb, your curb side wheels must not be A. More than 6 inches from the curb. B. More than 10 inches from the curb. C. More than 18 inches from the curb. The correct answer is C. More than 18 inches from the curb. Question. Which of the following is true about school safety patrols and school crossing guards? A. Their directions must be followed only by school children. B. Follow their directions only during school hours. C. You must obey their directions at all times. The correct answer is C. You must obey their directions at all times. Question. If your car has airbags, A. You must also use your seat belt. B. You are not required to use your seat belt. C. Only passengers in the back seat must use their seat belts. The correct answer is A. You must also use your seat belt. Question. If you are involved in a collision, you must show your driver license to A. Other drivers involved in the collision. B. All witnesses who ask for it. C. Both A and B. The correct answer is A. Other drivers involved in the collision. Question. It is against the law to enter an intersection when A. The light has just turned from green to yellow. B. You cannot get all the way across before the light turns red. C. The light is flashing yellow and you did not stop first. The correct answer is B. You cannot get all the way across before the light turns red. Question. The following practices are not recommended while driving. Which is also illegal? A. To use your cell phone without hands-free devices. B. To smoke in a vehicle with a minor. C. Both A and B. The correct answer is C. Both A and B. Question. You can drive off the road to pass another vehicle. A. Under no circumstances. B. If there are 2 or more lanes on your side of the road. C. If the vehicle ahead of you is turning left. The correct answer is A. Under no circumstances. Question. There is a large vehicle ahead. It approaches an intersection and signals right but appears to be turning left. What should you do? A. Sound your horn and get closer. B. Stay back and pay close attention to turn signals. C. Assume the signal is wrong and pass on the right-hand side. The correct answer is B. Stay back and pay close attention to turn signals. 35. Question. This sign means A. Drive in the right lane at all times. B. Slower traffic has the right of way. C. Stay in the right lane if you are driving slower than other vehicles. The correct answer is B. Stay in the right lane if you are driving slower than other vehicles. Question. What does this sign mean? A. Keep right. B. No right turn. Do not enter. The correct answer is B. No right turn. Question. Unless a child is 4 feet 9 inches tall, he or she must be secured in a child passenger restraint system up to A. 6 years. B. 4 years. C. 8 years. The correct answer is C. 8 years. Question. What should you do when a law enforcement officer is directing traffic? A. Obey the officer's order. B. Always pull over and stop. C. Obey signs and signals. The correct answer is A. Obey the officer's order. Question. A circular-shaped sign means A. Do not enter. B. Yield ahead. C. Railroad crossing ahead. The correct answer is C. Railroad crossing ahead. Question. What is a no zone in terms of driving? A. Blind spots around large vehicles. B. A no parking area. C. An area designated for pedestrians. The correct answer is A. Blind spots around large vehicles. Question. A carpool lane is a special freeway lane used for A. Buses. B. Deckled low-emission vehicles. C. Both A and B. The correct answer is C. Both A and B. Question. In which situation are you allowed to overtake a stopped school bus? A. If a traffic officer signals you to proceed. B. If red lights are flashing, but no children are present. C. If red lights are flashing, but the bus is on the other side of an undivided road. The correct answer is A. If a traffic officer signals you to proceed. Question. You must always stop before a railroad crossing if A. You have young children in the car. B. The crossing is marked with only a crossbuck sign. C. There is not enough room on the other side to completely cross the tracks. The correct answer is C. There is not enough room on the other side to completely cross the tracks. Question. A flashing yellow traffic signal at an intersection means A. Yield the right of way. B. Stop, if you can stop safely. C. Slow and drive with caution if the roadway is clear. The correct answer is C. Slow and drive with caution if the roadway is clear. Question. Which of these statements about drugs and driving is true? A. Only illegal drugs can impair your driving. B. Any prescription drug is safe to use if you don't feel drowsy. C. All medications are potentially dangerous and can impair your driving. The correct answer is C. All medications are potentially dangerous and can impair your driving. Question. In which direction should you steer if the rear of your car starts to skid? A. In the direction of the skid. B. Off the road. C. In the opposite direction of the skid. The correct answer is A. In the direction of the skid. Question. The basic speed rule allows you to drive over the speed limit when it is reasonable and prudent. A. True. B. False. The correct answer is B. Question. Charros remind you that bicyclists A. May take the whole travel lane. B. May travel in both directions. C. Must ride close to the right-hand edge. The correct answer is A. May take the whole travel lane. Question. Assuming you are traveling 35 miles per hour with good tires, good brakes, and dry pavement and suddenly need to stop. How far will your car approximately go before you react and can bring it to a complete stop? A. 50 feet. B. 210 feet. C. 620 feet. The correct answer is B. 210 feet. Question. When driving on a slippery surface such as snow or ice, you should A. Use your parking lights so you do not blind other drivers. B. Use low gears to keep traction, especially on hills. C. Allow less space than usual between you and the car in front of you. The correct answer is B. Use low gears to keep traction, especially on hills. Question. If you see a pedestrian with a white cane at a crosswalk, you must A. Stop and turn off your engine, so it is clear that you have stopped. B. Honk your horn. C. Stop and give the pedestrian the right of way at all times. The correct answer is C. Stop and give the pedestrian the right of way at all times. Question. When you are in a dedicated turn lane controlled by a green arrow, which of the following is true? A. Oncoming vehicles are stopped by a red light. B. You may turn without checking traffic. C. All vehicles and pedestrians in the intersection must yield to you. The correct answer is A. Oncoming vehicles are stopped by a red light. Question. To avoid glare from high-beam headlights of an approaching car. A. Adjust your instrument lights so they are brighter. B. Focus on the center line on the road. C. Look to the right-hand edge of your lane. The correct answer is C. Look to the right-hand edge of your lane. Question. Always turn your front wheels away from the curb when you are parked on a grade and facing A. Uphill only. B. Both uphill and downhill. C. Downhill only. The correct answer is A. Uphill only. Question. When traveling 50 to 55 miles per hour and passing another vehicle on a two-lane road, your gap in oncoming traffic should be at least A. 10-12 seconds. B. 6 to 8 seconds. C. 4 to 6 seconds. The correct answer is A. 10-12 seconds. Question. If you are involved in a collision, other drivers involved have the right to see your A. Driver's license. B. Proof of insurance. C. Both A and B. The correct answer is C. Both A and B. Question. You are driving in the left lane of a freeway with several lanes. You want to exit ahead. What should you do? A. Use emergency flashers and drive across all lanes. B. Change lanes one at a time until you are in the proper lane. C. Slow down or stop until you can drive across all lanes safely. The correct answer is B. Change lanes one at a time until you are in the proper lane. Question. When going straight ahead in a roundabout with multiple lanes, and unless posted otherwise, you should A. Always enter in the left lane. B. Enter in any lane. C. Always enter in the right lane. The correct answer is B. Enter in any lane. Question. You are approaching an intersection with traffic signals where a streetcar has stopped. The passing speed limit is A. 15 miles per hour. B. 10 miles per hour. C. 20 miles per hour. The correct answer is B. 10 miles per hour. Question. You approach a stopped streetcar at a marked safety zone. You can drive through the safety zone. A. If no pedestrians are present. B. If you slow down to 10 miles per hour. C. In no situation. The correct answer is C. In no situation. Question. All signs tell you that the lane is for left turns only, except. The correct answer is A, B or C. The correct answer is C. Question. You approach this sign. What should you expect ahead? A. A detour. B. A winding road. C. A sharp turn to the right. The correct answer is C. A sharp turn to the right. Question. When should you use your horn? A. When necessary to avoid a crash. B. To show other drivers that they made a mistake. C. When you get upset by another driver. The correct answer is A. When necessary to avoid a crash. Question. When parking close to a sidewalk ramp for disabled persons, law requires you to keep a distance of A. More than 15 feet. B. More than 3 feet. C. More than 10 feet. The correct answer is B. More than 3 feet. 32. Question. When you see the brake lights of several vehicles ahead, you should A. Drive more slowly. B. Drive closer to the center of the road. C. Pull to the side and stop. The correct answer is A. Drive more slowly. Question. If you loan your vehicle to a person who is unlicensed and that person is caught driving, A. Your driver's license will be revoked. B. Your driver's license will be suspended. C. Your vehicle may be impounded for 30 days. The correct answer is C. Your vehicle may be impounded for 30 days. Question. In this situation, approaching the bicyclist from behind, you should A. Honk your horn and pass on the other half of the roadway. B. Slow down, keep distance, and pass only when it is safe. C. Flash your headlights and pass on the other half of the roadway. The correct answer is B. Slow down, keep distance, and pass only when it is safe. Question. Before you can get a minor's driver's license, you must have had an instruction permit for at least A. 6 months. B. 3 months. C. 1 year. The correct answer is A. 6 months. 36. Question. The 3-second rule refers to how you should A. Turn at stop signs. B. Pass another vehicle. C. Follow another vehicle. The correct answer is C. Follow another vehicle. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to test yourself on the tests that you saw in this video with a quiz on quizdmv.com. You will find the link in the description. Like and subscribe for more videos.